You know who I am, don't you? I mean, what else did you expect? Straight from California. Straight as an arrow. Place some fuel lines. There's a pulse pump laying there. We'll say I did it on purpose, but I put E85 in the tank to flush it out. No, I thought it would run on that because we didn't have gasoline, but no, because it's got a quadrijet. Those are picky as it sits. So, flush that out. It's got some fresh gas in the tank. A whole pile of fucking 8-tracks. Oh. Man, that's a big old car. Big old bitch. Hopefully the battery took a little bit of a charge here. Turn her around here. Oh man, this thing's gonna do so many burnouts. The brake booster is rusty, so the pedal stays to the floor when you hit it. You gotta pick it up with your big toe. Thank God Patrick Starr's on a walkie-talkie in my head telling me what to do. Get it? Big toe. Oh my God, dude.